Step into the year 1975, where innovation reshaped the world. From shrinking mainframe computers to affordable microprocessors, technology was becoming accessible. The ARPANET laid the groundwork for global connectivity, while VCRs and Pong brought entertainment home. ABS made roads safer, and the Apollo-Soyuz test project united nations in space. Witness the birth of digital thermometers and barcode scanners, shaping industries. Join us in 1975, a technological revolution. In 1975, mainframe computers ruled the digital landscape. These behemoths of computation were the backbone of industries and institutions, powering essential tasks with their massive processing capabilities. From managing data to running complex calculations, mainframes were the unsung heroes of the technological revolution. The year 1975 marked a turning point in computing with the introduction of microprocessors. These small yet powerful chips revolutionized the industry by enabling the development of affordable and compact computers. From the Intel 8080 to the Motorola 6800, microprocessors brought computing power to the masses, fueling the growth of personal computing and laying the groundwork for future technological advancements. 1975 witnessed significant advancements in computer programming languages. New languages like Pascal and Smalltalk emerged, offering improved readability and functionality for developers. Additionally, innovations in programming paradigms, such as object-oriented programming, revolutionized software development, paving the way for modern programming languages like Java and Python. In 1975, the world of gaming saw the birth of iconic titles like Gunfight and Halo. These early arcade games captivated players with their simple yet addictive gameplay. Meanwhile, the release of Adventure, the first text-based adventure game, laid the foundation for the role-playing genre. These games marked the beginning of a gaming revolution that continues to shape the industry today. In 1975, the development of early modems revolutionized communication. These devices allowed computers to transmit data over telephone lines, paving the way for remote access and online communication. With speeds reaching a groundbreaking 300 bits per second, modems opened new avenues for information exchange and collaboration. The year 1975 witnessed the birth of email, forever changing the way we communicate. Ray Tomlinson's creation of the first networked email system allowed users to send messages across ARPANET, laying the foundation for modern email communication. This innovation revolutionized business communication and paved the way for the digital messaging platforms we use today. In 1975, telephone technology saw significant advancements. The introduction of touch-tone dialing replaced traditional rotary phones, offering faster and more efficient communication. Additionally, advancements in digital switching systems improved call quality and reliability, setting the stage for the modern telecommunications infrastructure we rely on today. The emergence of the fax machine in 1975 revolutionized document transmission. This innovative technology allowed users to send printed documents over telephone lines, eliminating the need for physical mail delivery. With the ability to transmit documents in minutes, fax machines transformed business communication and became a staple in offices worldwide. In 1975, the introduction of the VCR, video cassette recorder, revolutionized home entertainment. This groundbreaking device allowed viewers to record and playback television programs, giving them unprecedented control over their viewing experience. With the ability to record favorite shows and watch them at leisure, the VCR became a staple in households worldwide, shaping the way we consume media. In 1975, music enthusiasts embraced a variety of popular music players. The portable cassette player, such as the iconic Sony Walkman, allowed people to enjoy their favorite tunes on the go. Meanwhile, vinyl records and record players remained a staple in households, providing a nostalgic listening experience for music lovers worldwide. In 1975, the growth of home calculators revolutionized personal computing. Compact and affordable calculators, such as the iconic Texas Instruments TI-30, empowered individuals to perform complex calculations with ease. From students to professionals, home calculators became essential tools for everyday tasks, transforming the way we approach mathematics and problem-solving. In 1975, the automotive industry saw a significant advancement with the introduction of anti-lock braking systems, ABS. These systems revolutionized vehicle safety by preventing wheels from locking up during braking, improving steering control and reducing the risk of accidents. ABS technology transformed the way vehicles handled in emergency situations, making roads safer for drivers worldwide. The year 1975 marked the rise of electronic ignition systems in automobiles. This innovative technology replaced traditional mechanical ignition systems with electronic components, improving engine performance and reliability. With electronic ignition, vehicles experienced smoother starts, better fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions, setting new standards for automotive engineering. In 1975, catalytic converters emerged as a critical technology in reducing vehicle emissions. These devices transformed harmful pollutants from vehicle exhaust into less harmful gases, significantly improving air quality and reducing environmental impact. With catalytic converters mandated in new vehicles, the automotive industry took a significant step towards sustainability and environmental conservation. In 1975, the emergence of early global positioning system, GPS, technology revolutionized navigation. These pioneering systems utilized satellites to determine precise locations, providing drivers with accurate navigation guidance. While primitive compared to modern GPS technology, these early systems laid the groundwork for the navigation systems we rely on today, shaping the way we navigate roads and explore the world. The Apollo-Soyuz test project of 1975 marked a historic moment in space exploration. It was the first international human spaceflight mission, symbolizing cooperation between the United States and the Soviet Union during the Cold War. The mission demonstrated the potential for peaceful collaboration in space, paving the way for future joint ventures and international partnerships. The year 1975 saw significant progress in space exploration with the development of the Space Shuttle program. NASA's Space Shuttle, designed for reusable spaceflight, promised a new era of cost-effective access to space. The program aimed to revolutionize space transportation, enabling missions to Earth orbit and beyond, shaping the future of space exploration. In 1975, NASA's Viking program launched the first spacecraft to successfully land on Mars. The Viking landers conducted groundbreaking experiments to search for signs of life on the Red Planet, capturing the world's imagination with their discoveries. The Viking missions laid the foundation for future Mars exploration and expanded our understanding of the solar system. In 1975, medical imaging saw significant advancements with the introduction of computed tomography, CT, scans. These revolutionary scans provided detailed cross-sectional images of the body, enabling better diagnosis of internal injuries and diseases. CT scans transformed medical imaging, improving patient care and revolutionizing diagnostic medicine. The year 1975 marked a milestone in reproductive health with the introduction of the home pregnancy test. These convenient and accessible tests allowed women to confirm pregnancy in the privacy of their homes. The home pregnancy test revolutionized family planning and empowered women with greater control over their reproductive health. In 1975, the medical field experienced a breakthrough with the development of the first digital thermometer. This innovative device provided accurate temperature readings in a fraction of the time compared to traditional mercury thermometers. The digital thermometer revolutionized patient care, offering faster and more precise temperature measurements. The emergence of the first portable defibrillator in 1975 revolutionized emergency medical care. These life-saving devices allowed for rapid response to cardiac emergencies outside of hospitals, significantly improving survival rates. Portable defibrillators became essential tools for emergency medical professionals and paved the way for public access defibrillation programs. In 1975, the introduction of the barcode scanner revolutionized inventory management and retail. These devices enabled swift and accurate tracking of products using barcode technology. With barcode scanners, retailers improved efficiency, reduced errors, and streamlined the checkout process, shaping the modern retail experience we know today. The year 1975 witnessed significant growth in industrial robotics. These versatile machines revolutionized manufacturing by automating repetitive tasks and increasing efficiency. With advancements in robotics technology, industries embraced automation, leading to increased productivity and innovation in manufacturing processes. In 1975, the development of early computer numerical control (CNC) machines revolutionized machining processes. These automated machines utilized computer-controlled systems to precisely cut and shape materials, improving accuracy and efficiency in manufacturing. CNC machines transformed industries like aerospace, automotive, and manufacturing, setting new standards for precision engineering. The year 1975 marked significant growth in solar energy technology. Advancements in photovoltaic cells and solar panel technology made solar energy more accessible and cost-effective. With growing concerns about environmental sustainability and energy independence, solar energy emerged as a viable alternative to traditional energy sources, paving the way for a cleaner and more sustainable future.